Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing some new front strut assemblies from my 2008 Outback. I got these from 1A Auto. I found them on YouTube when I was looking for some how-to videos on replacing front strut assemblies. Found their video, their how-to video, and they actually have a whole lot of how-to videos out there that I thought were well done and very informative. So after doing a little bit of research, looking on their website, etc., decided to go ahead and buy a set. So these are front strut assemblies that I ordered. I think I ordered it on a Saturday and I got them by Tuesday. So they were really fast, free shipping. And again, so they, like I said, what got me was kind of their, at least through the videos and some other reviews. Thought I'd give them a try. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox these here. They do have the big staples on the top. There's got a flathead screwdriver here. Pop those up. Pop that up. Open this up here. Alright, so let's take a look in the box. So as you can see, here's the front strut assembly. It's already fully assembled. That's one of the reasons why I did buy this, because I didn't want to have to take anything apart and rebuild the strut. It's just labeled here, FL for front left. On the top you got a little warning label basically saying that, you know, don't remove the top nut here because it's already set. Comes with new nuts for the top hat here. Feels pretty substantial, as it should. And then it looks like it comes with some instructions here as well. So like I said, this was front strut assemblies fully assembled from 1A Auto. Again, they had some really good videos as far as how-tos, particularly on the 2008 Outback. I guess they had one in and they just did a whole bunch of different videos on a bunch of different things for that Outback. Very coincidental because I happen to have an 08, so very helpful, at least for me. Anyway, hope you like this unboxing video. Again, some of the great things about, or some of the things that I was impressed with was, again, their video series. Their website is nice and clean, unlike some other ones. And then, so that kind of tells me something about them. But also how fast their shipping was, and it was also free. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.